Design is everywhere. Everything you use, wear, or eat has been designed by someone. Think about it. Your favorite shoes, your phone, even the shape of your drink bottle, none of it happened by accident. You see, being a designer means creating something from your imagination and solving problems for other people. It's not just about making things look cool, it's about making them work better, feel better, and sometimes even changing how we live altogether. Learning design gives you a kind of superpower. You can take an idea in your head and turn it into something real that others can see, use, or enjoy. And once you start understanding design, you'll see the world differently. Everything becomes connected, kind of like a spider web. And you also notice how things are made. Now imagine this. Every time you open an app, sit in a chair, or even look at a cereal box, someone just like you decided how it should look, feel, and function. But why is this important? Because when you start learning design, you're no longer just using things, you're creating them. And you can also take control of how your ideas come to life. Yes, it might feel intimidating at first, like jumping into a big ocean with no idea of where to start, but you don't have to swim on your own. Think of this, as learning step by step can be kind of like starting in the shallow water. But the coolest part? You're already surrounded by examples of design. Just look around your room. Everything from your desk to your shoes has been planned and created by someone else. And here's the fun part. Once you start learning one tool or program like Photoshop, it opens up the doors for so much more. You'll be able to create posters, album covers, video game art, or anything else you dream of. So what does it mean to actually become a designer? It means starting small, staying curious, and building your creative superpowers over time. No one is expecting you to get it on the first try. And most importantly, it means seeing the world as a place full of ideas waiting for you to shape them. So that's it for this episode. But hey, stick around and let's take this journey together.